Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So before we go into the troubleshooting steps on how you can possibly fix the problem, first I am going to show you on how you can access the My Eyes Only section in your Snapchat. So first, go into your Snapchat, and after doing so, just access your photos, and on this part right here, just scroll to your right, and then on the most right part of your screen, you should be able to see the My Eyes Only section. And if that section is not loading for you, what you can do first is to try and check your internet connection. So because this problem is possibly caused by an unstable internet connection, so you can try and connect into another internet connection, or you can try and use mobile data. And after doing so and the problem still persists, what you can do next is to update your Snapchat. So go into your Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using, and then just simply install the updated version of your Snapchat if there's an available update. And then what you can do next is to try and uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat. So do that, just long press into your Snapchat from your home screen, and then click uninstall and click uninstall again. After uninstalling, just simply go ahead and click into your Play Store again or App Store and reinstall your Snapchat. And then lastly, what you can try to do is to reach out to Snapchat team and then explain to them what is your problem, and after about 24 hours, they should fix your problem and you can just check on your Snapchat again. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.